What's up guys, today we're going to be making a quick and flavorful veggie soup to really warm you guys up for the winter. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start by chopping our celery into bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to peel both of our onions like I did here, and we're just going to want to hack those however you can into bite-sized pieces as well. Transfer all that to a baking sheet along with your 12-ounce bag of carrots and drizzle it with olive oil generously. Then go in with a generous pinch of salt, and you're going to want to lightly toss it. Transfer that to an oven set to a high broil for 15 to 20 minutes to develop flavor. Now you're just going to want to peel and slice that garlic. You don't have to mince it guys, trust me, this is going to simmer for a while. You can see that after 15 minutes our vegetables have really developed some color. That color is flavor guys. Add all of those veggies to a large stock pot like you see I have here. And then we're going to go in with 8 ounces of pre-cleaned mushrooms, 3 bay leaves, our sliced garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a big pinch of salt, followed by a tablespoon of soy sauce, the juice of half a lemon, and now we're going in with our stock. This is a homemade vegetable stock that I made on this channel. I put the link in the description, but you can use any stock you want, even beef or chicken. Now we're just going to want to fill this almost all the way up with water, like so. Then you're going to want to bring that to a boil. You're going to want to let that boil for about 30 minutes to an hour. I let this go 30 minutes. After which your soup is almost ready to eat. Just don't forget to remove all of those bay leaves and season it to taste. And here's the final product. This soup is absolutely delicious. You gotta try it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time guys. Peace.